Hello guys, so this is my second video. In this we print the integer in Java. So let us see how we print integer with the help of loop in Java code. So first step is to make class. So here we take the class name integer. So when we make any program, so if we make for easy to understand, so we take class name as of the programming code. So here we take class name integer, you can take anything. So after that we define the main header file, which is very important for every program. You must to define public static void main string arguments for every program. Inside this you can define your program or code. From this your system understand from where to your code should be start. So from here our code should be start. So after that we take one variable c, which is the form of integer. Means in int c is simply declaring a variable. After that we define a loop for using for loop to repeat instruction execution. With the help of this we define that c starting from 1 to less than equal to 10, and in increasing order means c is equal to c plus plus 1, means c plus 1. After that what we want, so we want to put integer in the we want to print integer like 1 2 3 4 5, and how much integer we want to print, at least 10. So in this we put the system.out.println c. So in first step it prints c is equal to 1, after that 2, after that 3. So for loop will run less than equal to 10 until 10, because there is mentioned c is less than equal to 10. After that we close the one block. After that we close the loop main program. After that this is our final program. So with the help of run button we run the code and see the output what's really come. So you can here see that come 1 2 3 4 5 6 but this is not in particular sequence order. So I think due to the disturbance of order, so we can again run the code and see the final output. Again 1 minute, there is some indentation error, due to which I will not get the proper output. Wait. So here final we get the output in sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you for this watching this video. Please like for upcoming coding section. Thank you.